In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your chart of accounts tidy is really important for getting clear, accurate reports and making bookkeeping easier over time. When things get cluttered with old or unused accounts, it can be hard to know which ones you should actually be using. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to remove or deactivate accounts you no longer need step by step directly inside QuickBooks Online. First, log into your QuickBooks Online company file. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu. From that menu, click on Accounting. This is where QuickBooks keeps all of your core bookkeeping tools. When the accounting page loads, select Chart of Accounts. This will open a list of every account your company is currently using or has set up, like bank accounts, income, expenses, and so on. Next, you'll want to find the specific account you're trying to clean up. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar or filters at the top to narrow things down. Once you locate that account, take a look in the Action column on the right-hand side. You'll notice a drop-down that typically says View Register for Accounts that Track Transactions. Click that drop-down. This is where you can quickly see whether the account has any activity in it. If you check the register and see that there are no transactions in the account, you can safely delete it. To do that, look again at the Action column and click the drop-down that now shows options related to the account. Choose Delete, and QuickBooks will ask you to confirm. When the confirmation message appears, click Yes. This permanently removes the account from your chart, so only do this when you're sure it hasn't been used and won't be needed for historical reporting. If you open the register and see that there are existing transactions, QuickBooks won't allow you to fully delete the account. In that case, the best practice is to make the account inactive. Go back to the Action column, click the View Register drop-down, and this time select Make Inactive. QuickBooks will again ask you to confirm. Click Yes. The account will no longer show up in your active list or in most day-to-day workflows, but your past transactions and reports will stay intact. By following these steps, you can gradually clean up your chart of accounts, removing unused accounts and inactivating old ones, so your QuickBooks file stays organized and much easier to manage.